Hi, this is Greg DeVries, and welcome to this first discussion of the Om symbol and the word Om and the meaning of Om. So if you've been around meditation or yoga for any amount of time, you've likely seen this symbol. It shows up everywhere related to yoga and stuff, but people really don't understand it. What does it mean? So that's what we're going to talk about in this little video series. So first, let's talk about how Om came to be. Om is not only a symbol, but it's a sound, it's a vibration. In the ancient tradition, Brahman, which is the God, I guess you'd call it, or the ultimate oneness, had a thought that I'm only one, perhaps I can be many. And that idea of duality from non-duality, just that idea created a vibration in Brahman. And that vibration turned into the sound Om, and all of creation was created in that moment. And so to get back to Brahman or to divinity or to God, using that word Om brings us back closer to that supreme being. Now, keep in mind that it's not just in the Hindu tradition that uses this concept of Om. In the Christian Bible, in John, it says, "In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God." So again, using the Word, and now a lot of times that gets just translated as Jesus, as the Son of God, but it specifically doesn't say the Son of God or Jesus. It talks about the Word, or the sound, or the logos. And again, this is the concept that that is what created the universe. And we do know that we live in a vibrational universe. Anyway, that ends the first lesson, so thank you so much. See you next video. Namaste.